Alright guys, so I fixed my battery, ripped off two of the cells, and well, you know, fix the rest. And anyway, I'm gonna go and take it out for a bit and do a couple of speed runs. I want to see the difference in the battery. Spence, you wanna hold this, bud? Come on, bud. Come on. Good. I'm gonna try this. Alright. Here we go. Whoa! We're good, we're good. Oh! That was rough. That shit smacked. Holy cow.
I am sweating.
I know, hold on, bud. Yeah, I think this battery is like a 8 cell now. Had to take off 2 cells, it was a 10, so I'm not sure if the 5,000 milliamp an hour stays the same or not, but it seems to last a while still. And it actually still has the same power, but anyway, my son's getting hot here. I just wanted to show you for the most part. Come on. I hope you guys enjoyed. I want to be upgrading this pretty soon. I want to put a maybe a lipo in it, because come on, Spence, over here. This one here was 2-wheel drive, so I might just use this for racing. I've never raced before, but it'd be something interesting. Any thoughts, let me know. Thanks, guys. Bash on.